Hi, I'm Jeff Leedy, the window expert. Today I want to talk to you about DIY and windows. Should you do it? Well, I had a guy call me. He said, Jeff, I think I would like to install my own windows. You think I can? And I said, well, I don't know. I mean, I don't know your skill set. I don't know your level of experience. I don't know your house. I don't even know which window you're talking about. Now you say, Jeff, but answer the damn question. Can I do my own window install? Of course you can. In fact, there's a lot of great tutorials out there about DIY windows. I make a lot of great videos. I'm going to post a couple of them down in the description where we go through a step-by-step what we do to get the window out, how we flash the window, how we seal the window, how we install the window. I mean, I think that yes, you could install your own windows. I just want to give you a couple of things to be aware of, okay? Number one of the dangers or risks that you run into on installing your own windows is actually getting good measurements. When you talk about buying windows, installing windows in your house, it's not just the width by the height that you need to be concerned with, it's also the frame depth. Different houses have different types of construction. You might have 2x4 construction, you might have 2x6 construction, you might have 2x8 construction. And by the way, it might vary on your house. I've seen areas of the house where there's a second story over that part, they'll have a 2x6 construction, and in areas that don't have a second story, made out of 2x4 construction. So you have different frame depths on different parts of the house. You also have to consider, like for example, how far is this window going to come in? What's that going to do to my window stool? Am I going to have to cut back my window stool? What about the sheetrock jambs on the side? Will my blinds still work? What if you have those nice heavy duty blinds, the really nice beautiful 2-inch ones that actually take up a lot of space up there on the top? Is that window going to push those in? If you do push them in, are they going to still be flush mounted like they are now? Or are you going to have to maybe buy all new blinds for your windows? I mean, it's not as simple as width plus height equals a window. Also, what you have to consider is your brick is not straight, right? Your house has moved, things have settled, your openings probably aren't square. So if you're going to measure the width, you need to measure the width in more than one place because you're going to need to pick the narrowest part of the opening to make your window fit to that. So what I'm trying to explain to you is, and I'm not trying to talk you out of it, I'm really not, but I'm trying to tell you that we have seen so many DIY projects when it comes to windows that have gone south. You are destroying the original envelope of water flow that exists today on your house when you pull that old window out. And if you don't put the new window in correctly and it's not measured right and it's not flashed properly, I promise you're going to have leaks. Now you may not know you have leaks, but you will have leaks and you could have mold growing behind your walls and you wouldn't know it. Sure, you might have to pay somebody this much to do a turnkey job and you can do it for half that price, let's say. But you're assuming all of that risk. You better put that money in the bank in case you have to call somebody else out to finish or to fix your problem. Listen, I've been doing this for 13, 14 years. Jeremy, our master installer, he's been doing this for 40 years. Every week, we run into something unique that we have not seen before. Isn't that crazy? Every week we run into some kind of a hurdle or circumstance that we've not seen before. And I cannot imagine a complex project having someone who's never done it before and we're relying on them to do it right. Oh, and if you want to learn how to install windows, come work with me for 6 months for free, okay? You can ride in a truck, you can see how we do it, you can learn what we're doing. We don't have a problem showing you, but yeah, otherwise, stay away from it. Okay, I hope this video has been helpful. Now listen, if you're looking for a great window company near you, I've got a list of great window companies all over the country. You can find that at thewindowexperts.com. If you live in the Dallas-Fort Worth market or if you live in Houston, I operate in those areas. I'd be glad to help you with your project. We'd be glad to sell you the windows if you want to do it yourself. But we're here either way to help you in any way we can. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, okay? Don't forget to subscribe. I'll talk to you again real soon.